see this everywhere. Please do not throw toilet paper or feminine hygiene products in the toilet as it is on septic tank. So when you see this, it really does mean don't flush it. Put it in a trash can right beside you. Do not flush what in Costa Rica?
Toilet paper in the toilet.
Because there's someone in there, they buy to prepare a special beverage out of the roots. Once they made it, they tried and nobody tried to look after it. Building process. Water to make them expand and get that volume. Then you can drink them as they come. So that's the one that can.
Okay. Follow her. Easy. Hola. And you? Let me see. Oh, that's beautiful. This is black beans. You can try.
Se la ponga a freír, se le sale.
Pepper, salt, and coffee.
Sorry, eating that fast. I wish you did that.
Ah, got it. Okay, got it.
Wow, that is so hot. Smells delicious.
You know you can buy that. You can buy that. You know you can buy that chocolate, cacao, whatever it is. You can buy that. Go.
Right. What you did there, you did one time.
Is that sugar? Milk?
Iguana milk.
Iguana milk.
Have you ever tried iguana milk?
What's that?
No?
I hope so.
No, that is iguana milk.
No, he's kidding. He's kidding. Look at our iguanas. Oh, good job, Ed. There's his making chocolate.
No, I thought it was
Sugar free.
It's for you.
It's so soft. It's all that oil from that.
This one is my favorite. It smells like tomatoes.
And what is it?
Cashew.
Cashew leaves? Can I see?
It smells delicious. I want to cook with it.
これでコーヒー作ってんの？これでコーヒー作ってんの？
That's the easy part.
Oh, run!
Wow. Oh, mama. Oh, the sugar cane. Gamare, Kiki. Gamare, gamare. Right, here we go. お疲れ、お疲れ。
Wow.
Medium roast.
Okay.
Medium roast coming into the cooler.
Rico Rico Polo Becker.
Root we call yuca.
Oh, okay.
It's a root with the beef inside.
Okay.
Yeah, those are good.
Yeah.
You have a great time, a good time in Costa Rica, and I hope you will come back.
Thank you. Tell me the name of your company again, Ivan.
Tamarindo Dreamers Adventure.
Okay. So what did you get?
I got a cookies, ice cream, and a small waffle cup.
Get ready.
Coming. Oh. It's coming. Where is it? We didn't bring the whole gang though.
Yeah. I use
And Granny
content.
and Papa and
Mina 朝早くから頑張ってはるな。
that's it.
Yeah. It's the beach side. The beach is not very pretty. So we're right here.
Oh, now you went to the front. Got them all wrapped up.